Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down to access Privacy. Following that, select Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of your device's options, like Location. Then tap on one of your apps, in my case Browser, and apply the best option for you. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with the first one, so when I click and tap on the back button, I can start browser, just gained access to my device's location. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps and tap on See All Browser Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!